Dear customer, we thank you for purchasing the BioSpec Mini Beat Beater 96. This is the picture of the machine once it comes to your lab. This is a very simple plug and play instrument, and here we are trying to demonstrate how to unpack the machine and run it for your first run. Uh, the first step what we have to do is, this is simply a cardboard cover. We just have to remove it from the top and keep it somewhere in the side. Once you open the cover, you can see this black box. This is Mini Beat Beta 96. Below that you can see one board, wooden board, and below that you see one more plank. So this plank is tightened with 6 screws with this board. The first step what we have to do is, we have to remove these 6 screws and take the machine out. After that, there are 4 nuts where the motor of the machine is tightened with this board. In the second step we will remove that. So in the first step, you have removed these 6 screws, 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. You can take the machine and put it on some table. After that, you can see that there will be 4 nuts, 1, 2 and 2 on the other side. So you slide the wooden board in the side so that you are having an access with these nuts, and one by one you remove all the 4 nuts. So this wooden block will be removed from the machine and the machine will be ready to use. Once the wooden plank is removed, the machine is on the table. This machine is a heavy machine, around 60 to 70 kgs. So make sure that whatever table you are using, it should be strong enough so that there are no vibrations. So first thing we are going to do, this is a 230 volts machine, and if you will go here, you can see that you can scan this barcode to read the operating instructions also. This is a slightly different type of plug. So this is a 230 volts plug. I'll put it in the main power. Make sure that the earthing should be good and the voltage between the earth and the neutral should not be more than 10 volts in any case. So I'm putting the machine on. Then I'm putting the machine on from the back side. Now we are coming to the front. This is a digital display, and here you can see it is off at this moment. To put the display on, press this switch. So display has come. Now you will see that there are 3 parameters, 3 keys A, B and C. Here you can store 3 timings basically, though it's not a very great thing, but still you can. Suppose that A is 7 seconds and on the B you want to store timing of say 15 seconds. So increase it to 15 and hold the B till the time there is a sound. So now it is stored at 15. If you want to save C at 20 seconds, move it to 20 and hold the C. There is a beep sound, now it is stored. So you can see that A is at 7 seconds, B is at 15 and C is at 20. This is the area where we have to load our sample. You must have noticed that once I flip this cover, the display has gone. The reason is there are 2 magnetic sensors. Until the time it touches the bottom, the machine will not operate. Mean to say that if the lid is open, the machine will not run. To run the machine, you have to close the lid. This is basically a safety feature. Now we are going to explain how to load the sample. There are 2 plastic nuts. Remove these 2 plastic nuts, and then there are 2 black knobs. Remove all 4. Then there is one aluminum adapter, and then this is your vial holder. This vial holder can take 45 vials of 2 ml size. Try to balance the vials in the vial holder. That will be a better option, like 4, 8, 10, 15, whatever. So maximum it can take 45 vials. If you want to use the deep well plate in place of this vial holder, one complete deep well plate will come. Of course, you have to use the sealing mat. So once you have loaded your vials, keep it straight. Then insert this and then tighten this. Black knobs first, it should be good tight. Hand tight is more than enough. And then for extra protection, 2 plastic nuts. So now your sample is loaded and your machine is ready to run. Cover the lid. So I am using the first program of 7 seconds and press the start. The machine will start. In between the run, if you will open the lid, the machine will stop. But if you will close it, the machine will start from that time once again. So this is basically a safety feature. So dear customers, we have tried our best to explain how to run the machine, and I hope this video will be useful for you. In case you are having any other problems, please feel free to contact us. We are always there to support you. We once again thank you for purchasing the BioSpec Mini Beat Beater 96. Thank you very much.